to sign up Doordash Driver account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to sign up and create account on Doordash Driver. So watch the video till the end. First of all, open any web browser on your device. It might be Chrome or Safari. Click on the search bar at top of the screen. Type in doordash.com. Press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to the official website of Doordash and the official page of Doordash. So in order to sign up or create account, click sign up button at top right corner of the screen. A pop-up box appears on the page where you need to enter all this information to sign up. Your first name, the last name, email, country's code, mobile number, and the password that must be at least 10 characters. If you want to recheck, you can easily click on the show button and recheck your password. So you can click on the sign up button, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple if you agree to DoorDash terms and conditions and privacy policy. After you are done with that, you will easily go to the another page where you have to enter your legal name and continue. Also, you have to enter your vehicle details. Further information about your vehicles, such as insurances about your vehicles, other, you have to verify your driver's license as well by following the on-screen prompts. And by doing all the steps, you can easily create account or sign up into your Dash delivery account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.